In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve duplicate bank imports in Wave. For this, first of all, head over to your Wave dashboard. Before we start fixing anything, it's important to understand how these duplicate transactions occur. In most cases, duplicates happen when you have both manually uploaded your bank statement and also connected your bank account at the same time. As a result, the same transactions are imported twice, making everything confusing. To view your transactions, click on Accounting from the left-hand side of your screen and then select Transactions. Once here, you'll be able to see all of your transactions listed, and if there are duplicates, you'll notice that some of them appear twice. Unfortunately, there isn't a single Undo or Delete All button that removes duplicates automatically. You'll need to manually delete them one by one. If you're unsure which ones to delete, for example, when some duplicates may include receipts or different data, you can also merge those transactions. We have a separate video explaining how to merge transactions in Wave, so make sure to check that out if it applies to your case. But if you just want to delete the duplicates, click on the arrow at the end of each transaction and select Delete. If you have many duplicates and want to remove them faster, go through the list and check the box beside each duplicate transaction. Once you've selected all the duplicates, click on the bin icon at the top of this list and then confirm by clicking Delete. This will remove all selected transactions at once. Before you start deleting, if the issue occurred because you manually uploaded statements for specific months after connecting your bank, you can make the process easier by using filters. Click on the Filter option, then select Transaction Date Range. Choose the specific period you uploaded manually, click Apply, and Wave will show only those transactions from that time frame. You can then delete them all using the same checkbox and bin icon method, and that's how you can resolve duplicate bank imports in Wave.